Hello, my name is Sophia Greenacre and I'm the official adjudicator from Guinness World Records. We're here today in Los Angeles, California, in celebration of Guinness World Records Day, where we're going to see some live record breaking. Today we're going to be witnessing Skipper Blue the Macaw attempt a brand new Guinness World Records title of the most rings placed on a target by a parrot in 1 minute. Okay, Skipper, for your official Guinness World Records attempt, starting in 3, 2, 1, go.
Go. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Look at you go.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. You can do this. Good girl. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, Skipper, go. Almost there, Skipper. Yes, you are. Oh, there you go. Good.
And stop. Okay, Skipper, and I'm extremely pleased to tell you that today you got a total of 19, which is a brand new Guinness World Records title. Congratulations, Skipper.
You did it, Skipper. You did it.
Hello. Congratulations, Skipper. You are officially amazing.
You are. I know. It's so exciting. Good girl.